I'm American, and I'm married to a Haitian man. This beautiful man here. I'm going to be sharing with you guys what it's like to date a Haitian man, get married to a Haitian man, talk to his family, parents, and learn the culture, learn the language. All the things. He's distracting me. But yeah, leave your comments below if you guys have any questions and we can talk further about it. I'd love to share my experience and our experience together with my beautiful Haitian man.
So just follow along, you'll learn, and you'll be able to know how to kill it.
Yes.
Having a Haitian partner.
I'm going to teach you how to bag a Haitian man.
Yeah.
Just kidding.
Even if you're Haitian, you're like trying to bag a Haitian woman too as well. You'll know how to make it work.
You'll learn.
Okay. So just follow us and then enjoy the content.
The best life ever, too.
Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you.